I don't use the larger of my two joiners often, but when it comes to building doors, it turns hours of work into minutes and creates incredibly strong, accurate mortise and tenon joints. It's time to mark out the mortises I'll be drilling with my Domino XL. Beyond its ability to drill deep mortises, one of my favorite features on this machine is the set of alignment pins. There are 6 pins that enable you to quickly space mortises out. Unused pins can be tucked away when they're not needed. Because I'm a red-blooded American, I use a set of standard setup blocks to set the mortise height instead of the metric height stops on the machine. I'll show you how intuitive it is to use the pins as I drill 2 mortises in the curved top rail on the gate. You can insert one pin into a previously cut mortise and use the mortise edge as a stop, spacing out each new mortise without having to mark every one manually. These dominoes are over 5 inches long, giving me a 2¼ inch joint on each side. I'll be using 3 on each side of the bottom rail. Since there are alignment pins on both sides of the cutter, I only need one center line to drill all 3 mortises. After assembly, I'll drive a wooden dowel through one of the dominoes to mechanically lock the joint, in addition to the waterproof Type Bond 3 I'll be using for chemical bond strength. After drilling the mortises in the adjoining stiles, I use a set of sanded down dominoes marked with an L for loose that make it easy to do a dry fit. While it may seem dry to some, I'll do a deep dive on the importance of choreographing complicated assemblies before any glue gets involved.